Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I've got another really easy recipe for you today that I think that you're gonna like. Great for the kids, also great for guests. We've been having lots of guests over at our house lately for, man, when you got triplets, like I do, you end up having lots of moms and kids and dads and everybody's over, and you're out at the pool on the dock having all kinds of fun. Well, this is a great parfait that the kids are gonna like, and the moms and dads will like them too. So let's get started. It's granola and coconut, and I've toasted my coconut, baked it in the oven a little bit, and browned it. And I'm gonna combine, excuse me, let's do it in the bowl instead. I'm gonna combine my coconut and granola mixture here.
Yeah, I gave you that bowl.
Oh yeah, oh that's for me, great, yeah. Love it.
Help you out a little.
Thank you. A little bit bigger bowl. I was thinking, I'm gonna have to do this in batches. Great. So the coconut and the granola together, and I don't know about you, but I love coconut, especially toasted. But I've gotten to where I put it in my oatmeal. I put it in, on all of my yogurt at home, everything. So let's start with a little bit of yogurt in the bottom of the parfait glass, and we're just gonna layer this on repeat. So a little yogurt, try to make it pretty even. Yeah, if you have a hard time getting your kids to eat fruits and stuff, make it look cool. A little yogurt or a little honey. Let's go berries. So some strawberries, some blueberries. I could eat blueberries till the cows come home. And I got one child that eats them by the flat. I'll go buy some blueberries at the store, and she'll ask me for blueberries, and she'll just eat the whole container. Like, okay. That's Olivia. Loves them, loves them, loves them. But I'm pretty lucky. My kids, man, I don't know about yours, but my kids can be very picky, mine included. My son is very picky. I'm gonna start calling him chicken finger, peanut butter chicken finger. That's about all he eats. What was I saying? So anyhow, great for the kids, great for the parents also. Beautiful. A little more yogurt. So refreshing. On these hot summer days. Is it hot where you are? It's hot where I am. So this looks really, really nice. And it's ending exactly how I want it to, with a little granola and coconut on top. And then I'm going to add one more dollop of yogurt. Yeah, get yourself some long, like iced teaspoons. I would even put, I sprinkle cinnamon on everything too. I would put a little cinnamon right on top of that. Or, you know what's become my favorite thing lately? I love slivered almonds, like the blanched almonds.
You want some cinnamon?
Sure, why not? Why not? Cinnamon makes everything a little bit better. It give it a little pop. Or we could put some paprika on it.
Nope.
Just a little bit of cinnamon on the, and you know what? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Beautiful, voila. That's a great summertime. That's a great anytime little recipe. So easy. I put that together in about 3 or 4 minutes, and you can see the layers are really pretty as well as tasty. And you know what? Very good for you in a lot of ways. So happy summer. Berry parfaits in a tall glass. I think that you'll like it.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.